This is first question from theoretical distributions. Here is given capital X is a Poisson variate satisfying the condition 3 into P of x is equal to 2 is equal to P of x is equal to 4. Then P of x is equal to 6 dash. We know that the formula for Poisson variation P of x is equal to lambda, that is equal to e power minus lambda into lambda power n by n factorial. This is the formula. Here is given 3 into P of x is equal to 2. That is 3 into P of x is equal to 2 means e to the power of minus lambda into lambda square by 2 factorial is equal to P of x is equal to 4. E power minus lambda into lambda power 4 by 4 factorial. Both sides e power minus lambda cancel. That is 3 by 2 factorial is 2. Lambda square is equal to, this is lambda power 4 by 4 factorial, that is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Here 2 cancel. From the lambda square is also cancelled. Here is lambda square, that is 3 is equal to, this is lambda square by 4 3 is 12. From this lambda square is equal to 36. Lambda is equal to 6. So now we find P of x is equal to 6. That is P of x is equal to 6 is equal to e power minus lambda power 6 by 6 factorial. Here lambda value is 6. That is equal to e power minus 6 into lambda power 6. That is 6 power 6 is 6 into 6 into 6 into 6 into 6 by 6 factorial. That is 6 factorial is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Here 6 cancel. Here 3 into 2 another 6 cancel. This is 2 times and this is 3 times, and this 2 cancel in this is 3 times. That is equal to e power minus 6 is, that is 1 by e power 6 into 3 into 3 9, 6 into 6 36, 9 into 36, that is 324 by, this is there is 5, that is equal to 324 by 5 e to the power of 6. This is the required answer. This is second question from theoretical distributions, Eapcet 23 problem. A random variable x has the following distribution. Capital X is equal to xi, P of x is equal to xi values are given. Then the variance of this distribution is. Now we find the variance. We know that the total probability is 1. That is sigma of P of capital X is equal to small xi is equal to 1. So add these two values, that is 0.1 plus k plus 0.2 plus 2k plus 3k plus k is equal to 1. From this here 2k, 3k, 5k, 6k plus k, this is 7k. 7k is equal to 1 minus 0.1 plus 0.2, this is 0.3. 0.3 is 0.7. So k is equal to 0.1. This is the value of k. So now the distribution as follows, that is x is equal to xi, values is given. These values are, this is minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. P of capital X is equal to xi. This is first value is 0.1, second one value is k. K is also 0.1. This is 0.2, 2k. That is 2 into 0.1. This is also 0.2, 3k. This 0.3, k is 0.1. And multiplying these two, that is xi into P of x is equal to xi. These values are minus 2 into 0.1, minus 0.2, this is minus 0.1, this is 0, so this is 0.2 into 0.3, that is 0.6, 3 into 0.1, 0.3. Now add these all values. This value is 0.3, this 0 minus 0.2 minus 0.1 cancel. So 0.2, 0.6, 0.8. These values are 0.8. And now find xi square into p of x is equal to xi. So xi square minus 2 whole square is 4. 4 into that is 0.1. That is this is 0.4 minus 1 whole square. 1 into 0.1. This is 0.1. 0 square. This value is 0. And this is 1 square into 0.6. 1 square into this value 0.2. This is 0.2. 2 square into 0.6. 2 square is 4. 4 into 0.6. Into 0.3. This is 1.2. So this is 3 square. 9 into 0.1. This is 0.9. Add these two values. 9 to 11, 13, 14. This is 3. This is 2.8. 18. This is 2.8. Now we find mean. Mean is 0.8. Now we find variance. We know that the formula for variance, that is variance is equal to sigma square plus mu square is equal to, that is sigma xi square into p of x is equal to xi. Here now we find sigma square. Sigma square plus mu square. Mu is 0.8. 0.8. That is 0.8 whole square is, that is 0.64 is equal to, this is sigma xi square into p of xi is, that value is 2.8. From this sigma square is equal to 0.28. This is 0.8 minus 0.64. So subtracting this is equal to, this is 2.16. Therefore variance sigma square is equal to 2.16. This is the required answer. This is third question from Eapcet 23 in theoretical distributions. Here is given a random variable x as the following probability distribution. Capital X is equal to x and p of x is equal to x. Values is given for the events. Here E is given. This is x is a prime number and f is given. That is f is x less than 4. Then find p of E intersection f is equal to dash. We know that total probability is 1. That is first value is given, that is 0.15 plus 0.23 plus k plus 0.1 plus 0.2, 0.08 plus 0.07 plus 0.05 is equal to 1. So from this here is k plus add all these we get, that is 0.88 is equal to 1. From this k value is equal to 1 minus 0.88, that is equal to, this value is 0.12. This is the value of k. And p of E is given, that is p of E is p of E. This is a x is a prime number. Here prime number values is 2, 2 is a prime number, and 3 is prime number, 5 prime number, 7 prime number. Add all these values. So 2 value is, that is 0.23 plus 3 value is k, that is 0.12 k value. 5 is 0.2 plus next 7 value. 7 value is 0.07. So add these all values, we get 0. This value is 0.62. And p of f is given, that is p of f is x less than 4. That means take 1, 2, 3 values, that is 0.15 plus next value, this value 0.23 plus k. K is 0.12. That is equal to, this value is 0.5. Now we find p of E intersection f. That means which is a prime number and less than 4. Less than 4 values is, that is, so 2, 3. So that is equal to 2 value is 0.23 plus k value is 0.12, that is equal to 0.35. Now we find P of E union F equal to P of E plus P of F minus P of E intersection F, that is P of E value, that is 0.62 plus P of F 0.5 minus 0.35. So calculate this value, we get this is 0.77. This is the required answer. This is fourth question from Eapcet 2023 from theoretical distribution chapter. Here is given 2 bad eggs are mixed accidentally with 10 good ones. If 3 eggs are drawn at random from this lot in succession without replacement, then the variance of the probability distribution of the number of bad eggs drawn is dash. So here is 2 bad eggs is there and 10 good eggs is there. Now we have drawn 3 eggs are drawn from a random from the successive. Then find the probability distribution of the number of bad eggs drawn is. Here 3 eggs are drawn from 12 eggs. Total eggs is 10 plus 2 bad eggs, that is total eggs is 12 eggs. Total number of eggs. Total number of eggs is equal to plus 10, that is equal to 12. Which are 10 are good eggs and 2 are bad eggs. So first one, probability of getting so bad eggs when 0 bad eggs when 3 eggs are drawn. So 0 bad eggs means that is 2 bad eggs is, that is 2C0. Out of 10 we are drawing 3, that is 10C3 by total eggs is, that is 12C3, that is equal to 10C3 by 12C3, that is 10 into 9 into 8 by 12 into 11 into 10. Here 10 cancel. This 4 2 times, here is 3 times, this 3 times cancel, that is 3 2s are 6 by 11. This value is 6 by 11. Now probability of getting, that is probability of getting 1 bad egg when 3 eggs are drawn, that is 1 bad egg means that is 2C1 and this is 10C2 by 12C3. So calculate this value, that is equal to 9 by 22. And the probability of getting 2 bad eggs when drawn 3 eggs. 2 bad eggs means that is 2C2 into, here is 10C1, total eggs is 3, that is here is 2 drawn, this is 1, the by 12C3, that is calculate this value, that is 1 by 22. Mean mu is equal to mean. Now we find mean mu is equal to, that is 0 into first value 1 by, this is 6 by 11 plus 1 into second value 9 by 22 plus next value 2 into 1 by 22. So total this is 0, 9 by 22 plus 2 by 22, that is equal to 11 by 22. 11 by 22 is 1 by 2. This is the mean. Now we find variance. We know that the formula for that is sigma square plus mu square is equal to, this is 0 square into 6 by 11. Next value 1 square into 9 by 22 plus 2 square into 1 by 22. This value is 0, 1 square into 9 by 22. This is 9 by 22. This is 4 by 22. That is equal to 9 plus 4. This is 13 by 22. So here mu value is 1 by 2, substituting in this, so lambda square plus mu square is 1 by 4 is equal to 13 by 22. Now we find lambda square. So lambda square is equal to 13 by 22 minus 1 by 4. Take LCM for 22, 4 is, that is 44 LCM. This is 22, 2 times 2 into 13, 26 minus 11, that is equal 26 minus 11 is equal to, this is 15 by 44. This is the variance, that is sigma square is equal to 15 by 44. This is the required answer. This is fifth question from Eapcet 2022 from the theoretical distribution chapter. So here is given x is a Poisson variate such that 5k by 3 is equal to p of x is equal to 2 is equal to p of x is equal to 3. Then the value of p of x is equal to 5 is dash. So here is given p of x is equal to 2 is equal to p of x is equal to 3. That means p of x is equal to 2 means from Poisson variation e power minus lambda into lambda square by 2 factorial is equal to e power minus lambda into lambda cube by 3 factorial. Both sides e power minus lambda cancel and lambda square is also cancelled. This is 1 by 2 is equal to, this is lambda by 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1. Here 2 cancel. From this lambda is equal to 3. And given relation 5k by 3 is equal to p of x is equal to 2. That is 5k by 3 is equal to p of x is equal to means e power minus lambda into lambda square by 2 factorial is 2. So here lambda value is 3, that is e power minus 3 lambda square. 3 square is 9 by 2. That is the 5k by 3 value is 9 by 2 e cube. This is the value of 5k by 3. Now we find p of x is equal to 5. P of x is equal to 5 means that is e to the power of minus lambda to lambda to the power of 5 by 5 factorial. Here lambda value is 3. E power minus 3 into, that is 3 to the power of 5 by 5 factorial. That is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 3 power 5 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Here 1 3 cancel. So that is equal to, this value is 3 3 is a 9, 9 9 is a 81. 81 by 5 4 is a 20, 22 is a 40 e cube. E power minus 3 written as 1 by e cube. Take 9, this is 9 into 9 by this value is a 40. 8 into this value. So this is 20 into 2 e cube. Here 9 by 2 e cube, this value is given. 9 by 2 e cube value is 5k by 3. This is 9 by 20 into, this value is 5k by 3. So this 3 times cancel, this 5 4 times cancel, that is equal to, this value is 3k by 4. So p of x is equal to 5 is 3k by 4. This is sixth question from theoretical distributions from Eapcet 2022. Here two balls are drawn at random from a bag containing 5 black balls and 3 white balls. If a random variable x denotes the number of white balls drawn, then the mean of x is dash. So here is 2 balls are drawn from the out of 5 black and 3 white balls. So total number of balls is equal to, total number of balls is equal to 5 plus 3 is equal to 8 balls. Now we are drawing a white ball from this bag. Here white balls is 3. So taken, that is, so drawing white ball. White ball is equal to 3 by 8. X is the number of white balls drawn, then x follows the binomial distribution with parameters. Here is n is equal to 2 balls are drawn and p value is given, that is 3 by 8. Now we find mean mu is equal to, that is the formula np, that is equal to, n is 2 into 3 by 8. This is equal to 3 by 4. This is the required answer. The seventh question, Eapcet 2022. Here is given the mean and variance. Here is mean and variance of a binomial distributions are 4 and 4 by 3 respectively. Then P of x is equal to 2 is dash. Here mean is given, that is mean is equal to 4 and variance is equal to 4 by 3. We know that the formula for mean in binomial distribution, that is NP is equal to 4, variance is NPQ is equal to 4 by 3. Now we find Q value. Q is equal to NPQ by NP. Here NP cancel Q. So NPQ value is 4 by 3 by 4. So that is equal to 1 by 3. So Q value is 1 by 3. Now we find P value, that is P plus Q is equal to 1. So P plus Q value is 1 by 3 is equal to 1. From this P is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3, 2 by 3. This is the value of P. And mean NP is given 4, substituting P value, that is N into 2 by 3 is equal to 4. 2 times cancel, from this N is equal to 6. N value is 6. So now we find P of x is equal to 2 in binomial distribution. This is the formula. P of x is equal to 2 is NC2 P square Q to the power of N minus 2. Substituting NPQ values in this, that is 6C2 P square, that is 2 by 3 whole square Q power 1 by 3 whole power N minus 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. Now calculate this value. 6C2, that is 6 into 5 by 1 into 2 by 3 whole square, this is 4 by 9, into 1 by 3 power 4, this is 1 by 3 power 4 is 81. So here 2 into 1, 2 times cancel here. This is 3 2s are 6. This is 2 3s are 6. This is 3 3s are, that is equal to 2 into 2 4, 4 into 5 20. 20 by 3 into 81. This is equal to 243. This is the value of P of x is equal to 2. This is the 8th question from Eapcet 2022. From theoretical distribution. In a random experiment of throwing 5 coins, the number of heads is defined as a random variable. Then the mean of the random variable is dash. So here is number of heads is given. That is number of heads is given. That is n is equal to 5. And the number of heads is defined as a random variable. That means P is the probability of getting head. Getting head is 1 by 2. So x be the number of heads getting when throwing 5 coins. X follows the binomial distribution with parameters n is equal to 5 and p is equal to 1 by 2. Now we find mean. Mean is equal to formula, we know that is np. N is 5 into 1 by 2. 5 into 1 by 2 is equal to 5 by 2. This is the mean of the binomial distribution. This is 9th question. The variance of a Poisson variate x is 2. Then P of x greater than or equal to 3 is. This is Eapcet 2022 question. Here is given the variance of a Poisson variate x is given. The variance is denoted by lambda. That is lambda value is given, that is 2. So lambda is equal to 2. Now we find P of x greater than or equal to 3. So that is P of x greater than or equal to 3 is equal to, this is formula 1 minus P of x is equal to 0 minus P of x is equal to 1 minus P of x is equal to 2. That is equal to 1 minus P of x is equal to 0. From the Poisson distribution, this is e to the power of minus lambda into lambda power 0 by 0 factorial minus P of x is equal to 1 e power minus lambda into lambda power 1 by 1 factorial. P of x is equal to 2 e power minus lambda into lambda square by 2 factorial. That is equal to 1 minus e power minus lambda, take common, here lambda is 2, that is e power minus 2 into this value is 1, here lambda is 2, 2 by 1 factorial is 2, here is lambda square, 4 by 2 factorial, 4 by 2 factorial is also 2, that is equal to 1 minus, this is 1 plus 2 plus 2, 5 by e square. This is the value of P of x greater than or equal to 3. Therefore, P of x greater than or equal to 3 is equal to, take LCM, this is e square minus 5 by 5. This by e square. This is the required answer. This is 10th question from theoretical distributions from Eapcet 2022. It is given the probability distribution of random variable x is given by this values is given, then the mean of x is dash. Now we find the mean. We know that the total probability is 1, that is 0 plus second value k plus 2k plus 5k square plus 2k square plus 3k is equal to 1. Here is 7k square plus here is 3k, 2k plus 6k minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is, so finding the factors, 7 1s are 7, this is 7k square plus 7k minus k minus 1 is equal to 0. Take 7k common, this is k plus 1, and minus 1 take common, k plus 1 is equal to 0. So again k plus 1 is into 7k minus 1 is equal to 0. From this k value is 1 by 7. We are not taking negative value. K is non-negative. So now we find mean. That is mean is equal to that is sigma. This is the formula, capital X into P of x is equal to small x. So this is 0 into 0. First value is 0 plus second value 2k, third value 4 into 2k. This is 8k, 6 into 5k. This is 30k square, 8 2s are 16k square, 10 3s are 30k. Now substituting k value. This is 30k square plus 16k square. This is 46k square, 30 80, this is 40k. Substituting k value, 46k square, that is k is 1 by 7, this is 46 by 49 plus 40 by 7. So take LCM, 49 LCM, this is 46 plus 7 4, so this is 280, that is equal to 326 by 49. This is the required answer.